Hello everyone, welcome to the Needle Magic. Today we are going to make this cute and beautiful bow. This is how it is, and I've added a hairpin at the back. You can even add a rubber band if you feel like. आप rubber band भी लगा सकते हो. मैंने ऐसा hairpin लगाया है, and this is how it's looking. It's very easy and it makes really fast. I hope you like the tutorial. So let's begin. So we'll start by making a slip knot first. सबसे पहले हम एक slip knot बनाएंगे. एंड नाउ वी नीड टू चेन 200. अब हमें 200 चेन्स बनानी है. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. So once you complete making 200 chains, this is what you have to do next. So 200 chains बनाने के बाद हमें 5 और चेन्स करनी है. वी नीड टू ऐड 5 मोर चेन्स. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Now we need to go into the 6th chain from the hook. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. We need to go into the 6th chain from the hook and make a double crochet stitch. So we'll yarn over, go into the 6th chain from the hook, yarn over and pull up a loop. You'll have 3 loops on your needle. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now chain 2, 1 and 2, skip 2 chains, 1 and 2, and 1 double crochet stitch into the next chain. So yarn over, skip 2 chains, go into the next chain and make a double crochet stitch. Chain 2, skip 2 chains, and in the next chain we need to make a double crochet stitch. Chain 2, 1 and 2, skip 2 chains and go into the next and make a double crochet stitch. And this is the pattern. We need to follow this pattern until we reach the end of our foundation chain. Chain 2, skip 2 chains, go into the next chain and make a double crochet stitch. Skip chain 2, skip 2, go into the next and make a double crochet stitch. Then again chain 2, skip 2 chains, 1 double crochet stitch into the next. Chain 2, skip 2, 1 double crochet stitch into the next. So you have to keep following this pattern until you reach the end. Chain 2, skip 2 and 1 double crochet stitch into the next chain. So I'll complete this row by doing the same pattern until I reach the end, and then I'll meet you back here and show you what to do next. So here I've almost reached the end of my foundation chain and last 3 chains are left. Last 3 chains मेरी रह गई हैं. So I'll chain 2 and I'll do 1 double crochet stitch into the last chain and I'll finish the row. So this completes row number 1. Now let's start with row number 2, and we have to repeat row number 2 till we complete row number 5. So row number 2, 3, 4 and 5 will be of the same pattern, which is the next row that I'm going to show you. तो ये जो row number 2 है इसी को आपने repeat करना है 3, 4 और 5 के लिए. So we have to chain 5. 1 2 3 4 5. The chain 3 counts as a double crochet stitch and the chain 2 counts as a chain 2 space. We'll turn our work and we'll make 1 double crochet stitch on the double crochet stitch of the previous round. So this the first double crochet stitch is the chain 3 and the chain 2 space. So we have done chain 5. So the next double crochet stitch will be on the double crochet stitch. तो double crochet stitch के ऊपर हम एक double crochet stitch कर देंगे. Then chain 2 and double crochet stitch on the next double crochet stitch. Chain 2, double crochet stitch on the next double crochet stitch. Chain 2, double crochet stitch on the next double crochet stitch. Chain 2, double crochet stitch on the next double crochet stitch, and we have to keep following this until we complete our row. तो इसी पैटर्न को हमने फॉलो करना है जब तक कि हमारा रो कंप्लीट नहीं हो जाता. चेन 2 करके डबल क्रोशे स्टिच के ऊपर डबल क्रोशे स्टिच करना है. देन अगेन चेन 2 and double crochet stitch on the double crochet stitch. So I'll complete the round and then I'll meet you back here and show you what to do next. We have to keep repeating this until we complete row number 5 and we have to follow the same pattern. तो यही सेम पैटर्न फॉलो करना है हमने रो नंबर 5 जब तक हमारा कंप्लीट नहीं होता तब तक. So here I've almost reached the end of row number 2. मैं row number 2 के end पे पहुंच गई हूँ यहाँ पे. So at the end we need to chain 2 and we need to make a double crochet stitch on the third chain. So at the beginning we had made 5 chains. So the chain 2 will be the chain 2 space, and on the third chain we will make a double crochet stitch and we will finish our row. So this completes row number 2. We have to repeat row number 2 3 more times until we complete row number 5. तो 3 और बार हमने complete करना है. You have to always start with the chain 5, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and you have to turn your work and you have to start with a double crochet stitch on the double crochet stitch of the previous row, and then chain 2 and continue doing double crochet stitches on the double crochet stitches and chain 2. So I'll complete till row number 5 and then I'll meet you back here and show you what to do next. तो मैं row number 5 तक इसे complete करके फिर आपको दिखाती हूँ कि आगे हमने क्या करना है. So I have repeated row number 2 3 more times and I've almost completed row number 5. Just last stitch is left. So I'll chain 2 and I'll make a double crochet stitch on the third chain. And chain 1 and fasten off. Tighten it, and using a tapestry needle we can weave in these ends at the end, and this is how it's looking so far. ये देखिए इस तरीके से ये दिख रहा है. Now we need to shape it into a bow. अब हमें इसे bow के shape में करना है. So we have to hold it equally. So we'll join both the ends together. So here we are holding both the ends together. जो दोनों ends है वो हमने साथ में पकड़ लिए. And on this side we'll add a stitch marker to mark the center point of the bow. तो यहाँ पे हम एक stitch marker लगा देंगे तो कि हमें पता चल जाए कि ये bow का center portion है. So now we have added the stitch marker and both the sides are equal. So now in the center here we have a stitch marker. Now from the stitch marker we'll count 5 boxes. 1, 2, 3. We are not counting the box on the row where we have our stitch marker. We are counting it from the next box. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So here we will fold this portion like this. And then again from here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And we will fold this portion from here. So we are counting the boxes so that both the sides are equal. Now we have this. Now we will take our tapestry needle and we'll thread it with the same color yarn and we'll try to sew these pieces together like this. So we'll start from the bottom. I'm going into both the pieces, in and out, zigzag. Just go and come out, go and come out. Make sure that you're doing it in the center and just pull it through. And then we can just wrap the yarn around it. Now I'm going to take out the stitch marker from here. Stitch marker मैंने निकाल लिया. And I'm taking needle also out from the yarn. So we'll just start rolling it up like this. इस तरीके से हम इसे रोल करेंगे. We'll do that couple more times. And I feel now it's secured enough. So I'll just tie a couple of knots here. तो मैं थोड़ी सी knots बना के इसे completely seal कर दूँगी. Another knot. One last time. And now I'll cut the extra yarn from here. तो यहाँ से मैं जो extra yarn है उसे cut कर दूँगी. So we'll just cut the extra yarn from here. and you can see our bow is ready. We just need to make a tiny little piece to add it in the center so that it gives us a neater finish. तो सिर्फ एक छोटी सी चीज़ हम बनाएंगे जो सेंटर में यहाँ पे लगाएंगे ताकि हमें एक नीटर फिनिश आए. So we'll do that. Let's make the tiny little piece now. तो छोटी सी piece हम बनाएंगे इसका. We'll make a slip knot first. सबसे पहले हम slip knot बना लेंगे इसके लिए. And now we'll be chaining 12. अब हम 12 chains बनाएंगे. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. Now we'll start from the second chain from the hook. So we'll go into the second chain and we'll make a single crochet stitch here. तो यहाँ पे single crochet stitch बनाएंगे. One single crochet stitch into the next chain, go in, yarn over, pull up a loop. You'll have 2 loops, yarn over, pull through both the loops. Then one single crochet stitch into the next chain, one single crochet stitch into the next, one single crochet stitch into the next, and we have to repeat this until we reach the end. तो ये हमें एक एक single crochet stitch हर एक chain में करते जाना है. So we just have to do one single crochet stitch in each of these following chains that we have. So we'll have a total of 11 single crochet stitches by the end of this row, and one last chain is left here. So let's do one single crochet stitch here. Now chain 1, turn your work, and we have to again do one single crochet stitch in each of these following stitches. So go in, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Go in, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. So one single crochet stitch in each of these following stitches. तो हमें एक एक single crochet stitch हर एक stitch में करते जाना है. So this is the piece that we have to add it in the center so that it gives a neater finish. तो ये वाला जो piece हम बना रहे हैं हम इसको center में लगाएंगे. So just one single crochet stitch in each of these following stitches. One single crochet stitch into the next, one single crochet stitch into the next, one in the last stitch. Then chain 1, turn your work, and repeat the pattern, one single crochet stitch in each of these following stitches. We'll do that one more time and then our piece will be ready. तो इसके बाद हमें एक बारी और ये रो रिपीट करनी है और फिर हमारा ये सेंटर वाला जो पीस है ये रेडी हो जाएगा. तो एक सिंगल क्रोशे स्टिच हमने हर एक स्टिच में करते जाना है. सो वी जस्ट हैव टू डू वन सिंगल क्रोशे स्टिच इन ईच ऑफ दीज फॉलोइंग स्टिचेस. एंड हियर इज द लास्ट स्टिच. वी नीड टू डू दैट one more time. So chain 1, turn your work, one single crochet stitch in each of these following stitches, one in the next, one in the next, one in the next. तो एक एक single crochet stitch हम हर एक stitch में कर रहे हैं. One in the next and one in the last stitch. And now I'll chain 1 and fasten off, leaving a long tail so that I can use that tail to sew this piece to the bow. So मैंने इसमें थोड़ी सी यान छोड़ी है इसमें ताकि मैं इसको स्टिच करने में इसी यान से मैं इसे स्टिच कर सकूं. So first we will weave in the yarn tail that we have here. So I'm just going to go in couple of stitches using a tapestry needle, and I'll weave in this yarn tail that I have here, and I'll cut the extra yarn. And now I'll take a tapestry needle and I'll thread the yarn. तो अब मैं tapestry needle में जो मैंने yarn tail रखी है इसको लगाऊंगी, and we can put this piece onto our bow. तो ये हमारा bow है, ये देखिए. अब यहाँ पे हमने इसको सेंटर में लगाना है. वी नीड टू एड दिस हियर एट द सेंटर. ओके, सो विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम हियर एंड we'll start sewing the piece together. So just go in on the other end of the piece and start sewing. तो नॉर्मल जैसे आप कुछ भी सिलते हो वैसे ही हमने इसे सिलना है. तो दोनों जो उस पीस का दोनों जो एंड्स हैं उसे हम साथ में स्टिच कर देंगे. सो विल स्टिच बोथ द एंड्स ऑफ द पीस टुगेदर. एंड नाइस एंड टाइट. अच्छे से इसको टाइटली स्टिच कर देंगे हम ताकि ये पीस हमारा खुले नहीं. Screw in. देखिए ये सेंटर वाला पीस लगाने से बहुत ही नीट फिनिश आती है. आप ऐसे भी रख सकते हैं वो बिना ये इस पीस के, वो भी ठीक लगता है, लेकिन ये वाला पीस लगाने के बाद इसका लुक बहुत अच्छा आता है. सो हियर आई ऑलमोस्ट डन. Just I'll make 1 to 2 knots to secure and then we are done. तो इधर से बस एक नॉट बनाएंगे. एक और बना लेते हैं. So I'll do that one last time. And I'll go in couple of stitches. तो थोड़ी सी stitches के बीच में से मैं जा रही हूँ. And here you can see our bow is done. If you want, you can add at this point, you can add a rubber band here, or if you want, you can just put a pin so that you can add it to your hair. But if you want to add the rubber band, this is the time you need to add it here with using the tapestry needle and the same color yarn, and you can add a rubber band here. अगर आपको rubber band लगाना है अपने bow के लिए तो आप इस टाइम पे यहाँ पे rubber band अटैच कर सकते हो यही needle के साथ और सेम कलर की yarn के साथ यहाँ पे अटैच कर सकते हो. अगर आपको पिन लगाना है तो फिर आप यहाँ पे कट करके आप पिन से इसे यूज़ कर सकते हो. सो आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू ऐड द रबर बैंड बिकॉज आई जस्ट ऐड अ पिन हियर एट द बैक. सो आई बी यूजिंग दिस काइंड ऑफ अ पिन. मैं इस तरीके का हेयर पिन यूज़ करूँगी. एंड बिफोर दैट वी कैन जस्ट वीव इन द yarn tails that we have. तो जितनी भी ये नीचे हमारी yarn tails हैं इसे हम वीव इन कर देंगे. सो आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू गो इन couple of stitches that I have here and then I'll thread my needle and weave in the end. Extra को हम कट कर देंगे. So we'll cut the extra yarn that's coming out. We'll do that with the other yarn tail as well. तो दूसरी जो yarn tail है उसे भी हम weave in कर देंगे. Just go in and then thread the needle and pull it through, and then we'll cut the extra yarn that's coming out. And now our bow is ready. ये देखिए हमारा bow बन के ready हो गया है. You can use it with you can use it on both the sides, like you can use this side front or this side front, it's totally your choice. But one side you can just add this kind of a pin like this, and then you can attach it to your hair. तो इस तरीके से आप पिन को लगा के अटैच कर सकते हो. It's better we put it like this, the wrong side, so that when we apply the pin on our hair we are applying it in the right side, and then this is how it will be. तो इस तरीके से हमारा बो बन के रेडी हो गया. So this is how it is. ये देखिए इस तरीके से है, and it's on its own, it's just curling. See, this is how it is. I hope you liked the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Keep crocheting, stay safe, be happy. Bye bye.